everyone. My name is Dan. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm talking about energy sources. There are two main kinds of energy sources: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy comes from the sun, wind, and water. Solar energy comes from the sun. Wind energy comes from the wind. Hydro energy comes from water. There are three advantages of renewable energy. They are available, clean, and safe to use. However, they are expensive to produce. This is one of the biggest disadvantages of renewable energy. Non-renewable energy include coal, oil, and natural gas. Non-renewable energy has two advantages. Firstly, they are cheap. Secondly, they are easy to use. However, they are limited and will run out soon. In the future, people rely more on renewable energy because of two reasons. Firstly, they won't run out. Secondly, they are better for the environment. Thank you for listening.